Hello friends, I am Dr. Sandeep Bhasin from Carewell Medical Center. Many times this question is coming to us, what are the causes of the hair loss? हमारे सामने ये बार बार प्रश्न आ रहा है कि क्या क्या कारण है जिससे हमारे हेयर लॉस होते हैं. So the common causes of the hair loss that we see is the male pattern hair loss and the female pattern hair loss, which is mostly dependent on the hormones like DHT or sometime in the genetically also. Then the other common cause is telogen effluvium and telogen anagen. Telogen effluvium is the shock loss which happen after any major illness. Telogen anagen is the condition where there is a hair loss because of exposure to some chemicals like chemotherapy, radiation or some medicines which are toxic to the body. Then the hair loss can be because of some autoimmune diseases like SLE. It can be because of conditions like psoriasis. It can be because of alopecia areata. These are the common diseases which can cause hair loss along with the systemic disease. So diseases like hypothyroidism can cause hair loss, especially from areas like eyebrows, and sometimes they can cause generalized hair loss. Now there are certain infectious diseases, we know especially syphilis and some venereal diseases which can also be associated with alopecia or the hair loss. So these are the common conditions which can cause hair loss associated with the systemic illness. Now hair loss can be because of some deficiencies of some vitamins, minerals, proteins, malnourishment. These are things, especially deficiency of proteins, deficiency of amino acids, deficiency of certain vitamins like biotin, niacin, selenium, vitamin D, zinc. They can all lead to hair loss and excessive hair loss. Vitamin B3 deficiency can also cause something called pellagra, and which can also lead to our hair loss. So these are the various conditions which can cause hair loss. Now there is another reason of causing hair loss. The hair loss can be associated with the use of certain products, hair products, which can be toxic to the hair. We know we are using a lot of chemicals, dyes, and we are undergoing procedures like straightening, perming, and salon treatment of hair. Sometimes these are not good for the hair and they can cause damage to the hair. I'll talk about few chemicals which are toxic to the hair. Now one of them is called DM-hydantoin. DM-hydantoin releases formaldehyde, which is not good for hair, and it is used in many shampoos and many products, especially for straightening of the hair, and that can cause damage to the hair. So just look out for DM-hydantoin and see it is not present. If it is present, it may cause problems in your hair loss. Now let's look at some other products that can be various that can cause problems, like silicates. Silicates, if are used in large amount, they can block your pores and can cause hair loss. Phthalates. Phthalates are those compounds, especially they come from the plastic and they cause hormonal imbalances. Then hexachlorophens. Hexachlorophens are very, very irritating to the skin and they can cause damage to the skin and they can cause loss. Then mineral oils. Mineral oils they block our pores and then they can cause the hair loss. Similarly, there are many other products like benzenes and parabenzenes. Sometimes they are used, they can cause our damage to the hair. So these are various chemicals that should not be used in the hair products or in the cosmetics, and if they are being used, they can cause damage to the hair and they can cause hair loss. At the same time, I say avoid all procedures like dyeing of the hair and using ammonia in the dyeing of the hair, straightening of the hair or keratin treatment of the hair, which can be very, very harmful for your hair and can make your hair brittle because of the chemical treatment of the hair. When we do the straightening of the hair, sometimes we break the disulfide bonds in the hair, and which can make hair brittle. So these are things that you should keep in mind to know about the causes of the hair loss and what are the conditions that are causing the hair loss. So just keep this in mind, and what I suggest is lead a healthy lifestyle. Be careful about the products that you're using on your body, on your hair. I've mentioned about few toxic compounds. Do not use them in your daily routine. Try to avoid them because they can cause hair loss. Keep a very healthy diet. Take adequate amount of protein, amino acids, vitamins, minerals that will keep your hair healthy, young, and look healthy for a long time. Thank you friends. Dr. Sandeep Bhasin from Carewell Medical Center.